Welcome back everyone. Thanks a ton for picking up the optional upgrade for the YouTube commission code. So in this upgrade, I'm really going to make it worth your while and worth your investment. I'm going to show you how to capitalize on the method, the system that we taught in the main product, and how to actually increase it and increase by up to 8 times the amount of money you're going to make in the commissions. Now we're going to go slightly more complex here. We're actually going to not just promote affiliate products, which is already a winning strategies in people's video descriptions, but we're also going to use that placement, that premium estate, right, that description, to build our list while simultaneously still generating the same amount of commissions. And we're also going to use that email list to promote and pitch much more products and end up with a very recurring income. So just a rundown on what we're going to do. We're going to set you up, guys, with a very short opt-in form page, right? Very simple to do on your own domain, and we're going to build you guys a list, all right, an email list of customers here, of people that have clicked on the link and registered to you. Now we're not going to waste these clicks, as we're going to redirect people who click on that link and opt in to the affiliate page that we originally sent them to. So we're still going to gather commissions that way. But what's even more interesting is we're going to be able to over and over send broadcasts to these customers and get them to open, to click, as well as purchase what we want to be promoting them. So we're going to set this entire system up extremely quickly in just a few videos actually. So stay tuned and be sure to take notes and progress as I do in the videos for maximum results. So we're going to be giving you a ready-made business model here. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.